Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to share with you two trash to treasure makeovers. For the first one, I'm trying to reuse this cutlery stand. This is the one that I got around 6 years back from Home Center. It had a spatula, a pasta spoon and a potato masher, the same color. Those things are broken. And the next one is Coffee Day chocolate chip cookie tin. This is also quite old. And I have chosen these two contact papers. They are both in the marble print. This one has a more matte-like finish and this is a more glossy finish. And you know the drill. Reverse, measure, cut and stick. Let's get started. that's it. I've used the bigger one as a flower vase, and the smaller one is used to contain all my glue sticks. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.